continue to push up and we continue to recover as well. Now, when we saw this, right, we still continue to see a deviation from the 20 DMA, which should be in line with it, which is why we see some sort of a small pullback coming over here, and then a hopeful bounce off back after the 20 DMA as well. Now, if you take into consideration not only the trend, but also the consolidation base that is seen on Nifty, which is, excuse me, yes, which is consolidation base over here on Nifty, is also another reason why this could be a small pullback and continue to push up. So that is the view on Nifty as well coming in for the upcoming days or upcoming market session, which is today. Now, the key news is FIIs and DIs were net sellers, offloading almost 654 crores and 822 crores worth of shares, respectively. Maruti received GST demand notice of 5.4 crore for period of July 2017 to March 2023. RBL Bank said that they will consider raising funds via QIP on June 27th. AU Small Bank said that it will consider raising funds via QIP on June 27th as well. Now, the global markets, as you can see, have been a little bit of mixed feelings over here coming in. As you can see, the Dow 30 has been almost up by 0.67%, whereas the Nasdaq was down by almost 1%, which is one of the major markets which will affect our markets. So that is why you could see some sort of a mixed feeling in the whole broader markets. Now, coming to the Asian markets, there has been a positive sign where the Nikkei is up by 0.5%, the Kospi is up by 0.45%, close to 0.5% again, and the Shanghai market is somewhat flattish at 0.18%. So GIFT Nifty is actually indicating a slightly positive opening where the futures closed at 543, and the current price of the GIFT Nifty is standing at 23,575. So an odd 20 points opening. Not that big of a gap up opening, but definitely a positive opening. So the stock of the day is Railtel Corporations. As you can see that the fundamentals also play in line with it, with our EPS strength at 80, the price strength at 91, and the buyer demand at almost A+. As you can see, the RSI rating has also continued to improve. As you see over here, there has been a consistent growth also putting forward when there is a change in percentage of sales, and also the number of funds that have been included, or the number of funds that are held have also increased by a significant amount of number, right? Now, there has been a consolidation base, and this is our second base consolidation, which would indicate a much higher and positive flow towards the trend that it follows. With that being said, we continue to be around above the 20 DMA and above the 200 DMA, which is another positive sign. And according to the William, in need for some sort of a pullback in order to get, see a much more heavy momentum in this stock. So, plus, with that being said, the volume needs to exceed the previous day's volume. We saw that once already over here, but we need to continue seeing that in order to have a confirmation for this stock. This stock has also bagged several amount of orders, which have been, floating in the news. So there is another catalyst that is coming into play, where a lot of orders are being stocked up for the past 2 to 3 weeks, which is a good sign for the overall company. The overall company also projects, according to the FY24 guidelines, that it projects a 20 to 25% growth in the whole FY25, which is a good guideline to give, and especially a 20-25% guideline indicates that the stock and the management is going to be very, very, first of all, confident, and at the same time, they're very confident with their order book. And also, are they confident on delivering their results? So that's it for today. Thank you so much. And we will see you again tomorrow at 8:45 with pre-bill with MarketSmith.